Hey guys, it's Larry here from LTM Outdoors, and today we're going to be bass fishing with the Buzzbait. So, let's start fishing. One, just jump beside the boat. Hopefully I can catch that little thing. If you're wondering where I'm fishing at a family-owned pond. It's stocked with lots of largemouth bass, bluegill, and crappie. Now that I'm at my spot, we'll try this again. Oh man, this is a nice one right here, guys. About 2 pounds. No, maybe not. Maybe 1.5. Struck like a nice one. Man, this one's good eating size right here. There you go. Whew. Nice. Let's put you back in the water with all your friends. I don't think he liked me. Let's go catch some more of his friends real quick. Well, my sister's doing better than me today. That's a nice bass right there. Here, you gonna release it on camera? There he goes. Now let's get back to the fishing. Oh man, got another one. As soon as I landed. There we go. Another one. Not as big as the last one. I still consider him eating size. Right. There we go. Yeah, he's a little one. Cast him back in the water too. Alright guys, I'm back on the bank. As you can see, it's getting a little dark and gotta get this stuff out the boat unloaded, get the truck back. Yeah, so hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Sorry